This is my 2019 Jeep Wrangler JLU. I had an issue with the rocker switch in the door, stopped working. And I'd read something online about the wiring harness coming apart. And sure enough, when I opened up the sheathing here and pushed it back, sure enough, there's 3 wires that have actually severed. The online article actually only talks about the orange and gray or green one, but I found this one, which is, I don't know what color that is, peachy. This one, purple and green, and all 3 have actually severed. So I just I pushed back the sheathing here, and I found the other end. So I'm going to splice these back together again with a connector, and hopefully that'll fix things. So I hope this helps somebody with the same issue.